Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam mahasiswa. Will here or will profit material about the 16 with tenses before that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Don't forget to press the bell so you do not miss the content from me. Number 1. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is sentence pattern to express habits, events, and facts that occur in the present. The formula for the subject I, you, we, they. Positive subject plus verb 1. Negative subject plus do not plus verb 1. Interrogative do plus subject plus verb 1. Example. Positive, I fly again. Negative, I do not fly again. Interrogative, do you fly again? Number 2. Simple past tense. Simple past tense is sentence to express event that occurs in the past. Formula. Positive subject plus verb 2. Negative subject plus did not plus verb 1. Interrogative did plus subject plus verb 1. Example plus he borrowed a book yesterday. Negative he did not borrow a book yesterday. Interrogative did he borrow a book yesterday? Number 3. Simple future tense. Simple future tense is a pattern to express activities to be carried out or event that will occur in the future. Formula. Menggunakan will. Positive plus subject will. Subject plus will plus verb 1. Negative subject plus will not plus verb 1. Interrogative will plus subject plus verb 1. Example. Positive Hana will come connect. Negative Hana will not come tonight. Interrogative will Hana come tonight? Number 4. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is a sentence pattern to express an action that is taking place now or will the conversation is taking place. Formula. Positive subject plus to be plus verb 1 plus ing. Negative subject plus to be not plus verb 1 ing. Interrogative to be plus subject plus verb ing 1. Example. Positive he is sleeping. Negative he is not sleeping. Interrogative is he sleeping? Number 5. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is a sentence pattern to express action that occur in the past have been complete at a certain time or are still continue until now. Formula. Positive subject plus have atau has plus verb 3. Negative subject plus have atau has not plus verb 3. Interrogative have atau has plus s subject plus verb 3. Example. Positive Mickey has lived in Bandung since January. Negative Milky has not lived in the Bandung January. Interrogative has Milky lived in the Bandung since January. Number 6. Present perfect continuous. The tense tends to express activities or events that have been complete in the past or action that have students in the past and are still continue until now. This tense is a tense to express activities or events that have been complete in the past or action that until past and still continue until now. Number 7. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is tense pattern to express events that took place in the past and were complete at some time before other event occurred. Formula positif subject plus head plus verb 3. Negatif subject plus head not plus verb 3. Interrogative head plus subject plus verb 3. Example negatif positif the train and left. Negatif the train had not left. Interrogative had the train left. Number 8. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is sentence pattern that concerns events that occurred at certain time in the past. Formula positif subject plus was atau were plus verb ing. Negatif subject plus was or were not plus verb ing. Interrogative was or were plus subject plus verb ing. Example positif she was living at this time last night. Negative she was not living at this time last night. Interrogative was she living at this time last night. Number 9. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is a sentence pattern to indicate an event with a certain duration of time that has been complete at a certain time in the past. Formula positif subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Negatif subject plus had not plus been plus verb ing. Interrogative had plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Example positif she been sleeping. Negatif she had not been sleeping. Interrogative had she been sleeping. Nomor 10. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is a sentence pattern that shows an event that will be complete at some point in the future. Formula positif subject plus will plus have plus verb 3. Negatif subject plus will not plus have plus verb 3. Interrogative will plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Example positif she will have read. Negatif she will not have read. Interrogative will she have read. Number 12. Future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is a sentence pattern that now shows event that will be happening at a certain time in the future. Formula positif subject plus will be plus verb ing. Negatif. Subject plus will be
tak sejudu di dalam
not be
dunia,
plus but be.
tidaknya
Negatif.
sejudu
Will
di
plus subject
dalam
plus be
dunia.
plus but be.
Sayang
Example.
adik.
Positif. He will be flying. Negatif. He will not be flying. Interrogatif. Will
Tak
he be
sejudu
flying?
di dalam la dunia,
Number
nanti
12.
kutu
Simple
di
past future
pintulanya
tense.
surga.
Simple past future tense is a sentence pattern to express an action that will be done or an event that occurs in the past. Formula menggunakan will. Positif. Subject plus word plus verb 1. Negatif. Subject plus word not plus verb 1. Negatif. Interrogatif. Word plus subject plus verb 1. Example. Positif. He will come. Negatif. He will not come. Interrogatif. Word he come. Number 13. Past future continuous tense. Past future continuous tense is a sentence pattern to express an action that will be done or an events that will be happening in the future will in the past. Formula. Positif. Subject plus word or shall plus be plus verb ing. Negatif. Subject word atau or shall not plus be plus verb ing. Interrogatif. Word or shall plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Example. Positif. She will be jumping. Negatif. She will not be jumping. Interrogatif. Will she be jumping? Number 14. Past future perfect tense. The past future perfect tense is sentence patterns that show an action that will have been done in the past. Formula. Positif. Subject plus word or shall plus have plus verb 3. Negatif. Subject plus word or shall plus not plus have plus verb 3. Interrogatif. Word or shall plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Example. Positif. She will have come. Negatif. She will not have come. Interrogatif. Will she have come? Number 15. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense is a sentence pattern to express an activity or event that has been going on for a long time at a certain time in the future. Formula. Positif. Subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb 1 ing. Negatif. Subject plus will not plus have plus been plus verb 1 ing. Interrogatif. Will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb 1 ing. Example. Positif. He will have been sleeping. Negatif. He will not have been sleeping. Interrogatif. Will he have been sleeping? Number 16. Past future perfect continuous tense. The past future perfect continuous tense is sentence version to express activities or events that will have taken place for a long time at a certain time in the past. Formula. Positif subject plus word plus have plus been plus verb one ing. Negatif subject plus word not plus have plus been plus verb one ing. Interrogative word plus subject plus have plus been plus verb one ing. Example. Positif she would have been teaching. Negatif she would have been teaching. Interrogative would she have been teaching.